Kia ora te whānau. I'd just like to share with you some of the exciting things that have come out of the challenges and the hard times of the last 3 or 4 years. So first of all, we've got a full garden crew and we're building an amazing team here, and that feels really good because the team is the heart of the whole thing. Secondly, we now have all of our gardens up and running again, looking really amazing, better than I've seen in a long time. We've expanded the perennial garden, so we've got super exciting grow outs happening in there. We've expanded the nursery area into an area that won't flood. So next year we're hoping to have, I'm sure we will have a lot more fruit trees, we're really excited about what we'll be able to do there. Next we have developed a system for building soil and growing nutrient-dense food without any industrial fertiliser. So that feels really important and really significant, and we've done it in a way that anyone, anywhere will be able to use this information to grow for local food production or whatever you're growing. That's, I think, very significant. We've also developed, along with that, a system for testing our soil and our plants, which does require buying some technology, but it's a lot cheaper than having to get someone else to do your testing. That's also a very significant step forward, I think. Finally, I'm super excited that we're able this year to do a grain grow out. Now, our heritage grains and legumes, which have traditionally always been part of our diets, have not in recent times been grown much in home gardens, but there's more and more interest now in the grains and the legumes, and we've got an unbelievable internationally and endangered grain collection here. So with your support, we're going to grow a lot of them out this year, and we'll be sharing a lot more about all of these projects over the next few weeks. Kia ora.